So I was experimenting with some portable power sources for Skelly's eyes, and I accidentally hit 12 volts to it and heard a pop. So I want to see if I can fix the eyes or replace them. So you gotta take all the screws out of the back of the head. These, some of them need a really deep screwdriver because the screw's way down there. You got a bit of a tunnel to go through. And the screws on that side of the head mount ring thing. Now, I'm guessing at least the outers, maybe all 6. Looks like a delicate ribbon cable and some fun looking glue. Once I got in here with the screwdriver, it's easy to tell. You only take the ones off on the end, so 2 per. 2 and 2, those things. The other ones are to take them apart, which I'm going to try and open it up. The power wire goes to the right one, so I'm going to start there. See if we can figure out if I popped a capacitor or something simple before I order new ones. Just wanted to film this halfway out. There's a rubber gasket, and the glue really wasn't doing much, except mostly it seemed to hold the wire. I don't know why it's smeared on the sides. It really didn't do anything. And then the little clear lens just pops off. And now this is loose, so I can look at the back. Alright, pretty nice looking board. You can unclip the board from the LCD, little flipper latch thing, and the wire from the other side, little lever latch under there. And looks like hot and ground are soldered direct. I'm gonna have to use the macro and see if I see anything that looks burnt. Maybe it's on the other eye, I don't know. Here's the other eye, literally almost nothing, just like a junction board. Apparently this side does all the stuff. Big chips probably for all your blinking and whatnot. You can't really tell. Let me find, well, most people know the size of a screwdriver. And it's got glue on it. There we go. So you can see how small these resistors and stuff are. I would say smaller than a grain of rice. And I don't have a microscope, and I don't have a hot air station to do that. This ribbon is glued to the board right here at this crease, and I feel if I pull it, it's going to break, even though it's already broke. So what's the difference, right? I can think I might be able to unclip it and pop it out, but putting it back in might be tough because I can't really see how's it going. But once again, I don't have the necessary stuff or the steady hand. Alright, I put you on a magnifying glass. I'm going to say that black dealie on the right next to the one that says AK. I'll circle it. Looks burnt. That soldering job for the power is not very good, and they should have cleaned it, but yeah, I'm going to go with that resistor or whatever. So I just looked on eBay. Whole new setup's 25 bucks shipped. On the website that makes parts for these, it's 55. So 55, I might try and fix this. 25, I don't care. Plus, where we put the skeleton, you really can't see the eyes that well anyway. So what I think I'm gonna do is take the LCDs out, put them in the bin, well, the save it bin. Then I'm gonna use these, pop a couple holes, put some crazy LEDs in here, put these back on, put it back in the head, hook more power to the LEDs, maybe put some kind of flasher box in it, random or something, I don't know. We'll figure it out. The people who inspire a lot of us to fix this, like Tronics Fix and Steeds Fix, they're invaluable for their expertise and simple how-to directions. So you might check out their channels. I'll leave links. And any parts or anything I use will be down there too.